Hello, Prahata. This is Xiaowei, and I'm very happy that I have the opportunity to give you feedback on your e-portfolio that you made for the 2018 Star Talk TTLO program. And this is the homepage. I really enjoy seeing the flowers and so beautiful. And I see that you have the menu on the top, which is very clear. You divide it into home and then unit 1, unit 2, and unit 3, and more. And I'm very interested in what more. So when I click that, and it has thank you, thanks, and comment, and contact information, and I click that, and I see that you actually have done something that it's very extraordinary, and you thank everyone in this program, and uh, and also you put some comments that we actually make comments on your work. For example, one of the work that you make here, you recorded here is actually from me, and not look what I said here. I said, um, Prahata, two extra points for your actual work on your Quizlet. Wow, I can't believe that. See, my encouraging words also got rewarded, and you, in return, you thank us and thank me. And another thing that you put in here is at the end, you said a big thank you to everybody in the program, about Marlene, about Shannon and Ritu and me. Okay, thank you for your kindness. And when I go to home introduction, and I see that you put in a nice paragraph about yourself and a nice picture of you there too. Really nice. And it's giving some personal touch about this e-portfolio. And then in Unit 1, you put everything that needs to be included there, and it includes a needs analysis, group project, and reflection. And I have checked everything. It looks great to me, and it's very pleasant to the eyes. And with these background image actually moving up, and I really like that. And then also uh, in the group project, and you also put in what your group A has done for that project about best practices online. For this part, I would like you to put in the name of the group members. So since it's a group project, so you give credit to those who work with you. What do you think? And Unit 2, excellent class participation rubric, and it has a very good rubric there. And let me see one more time. It should show up. Yes. Okay. Very good. And it's clear, and it's in a like left column and right column style. I really like that. And Unit 3 has the most contents, looks like. You have all kinds of activities you created, interpretive activities, and interpersonal. Let's go to interpersonal. It's all clearly laid out there for anyone who wants to see. Okay, very nice job. And in the more section, I see that you even have contact me, and very good. And for anyone who is interested in how to make the project, how to make this e-portfolio, they can contact you, email and phone number. Okay? A job well done. Thank you.